The first law that we learned is the law of multiplication, and the law states that if the base values are the same and we multiply them together, then we can add the exponents. So let us say, for example, we have x squared and we want to multiply it with x to the power of 9. In order to simplify that, we would say this is equals to x to the power of 2 plus 9, and that is equals to x to the power of 11. Another example would be if we have x squared, y to the power of 3, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 7. Now, we can only add up the exponents of the variables that are the same. So, in this example, we'll have x to the power of 2 plus 4 times y to the power of 3 plus 7. So if I simplify, this would be x to the power of 6 and y to the power of 10. So the law is important. In order to add the exponents together, the base values or the base variables must be the same.